Speed isn't just a spec, it's a feeling. From instant app launches to gaming at full throttle, the POCO F7 doesn't just keep up, it stays ahead. In this video, we are diving deep into what makes the F7 one of the most powerful performers in this segment. So, buckle up, this is not an average phone. Let's talk gaming. I played Genshin Impact, maxed out setting, full visuals, and I was blown away. The POCO F7 handled it like a champ, giving me constant 60 FPS, no frame drop, no stutters, even during high action combat scenes. The Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor isn't just good on papers. It's a real performer, combined with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and blazing fast UFS 4.1 storage. Everything loads fast, maps, textures, cutscenes, everything is seamless. And let's not forget POCO's built-in game turbo mode. It optimizes performance in real time, giving you better touch response, frame consistency, and customizable setting for focused gameplay. But it is not just about games. Everyday performance is where the F7 quietly shows its mastery. App opening instant, app switching flawless, scrolling like cutting through butter. Animations in HyperOS are smooth and fluid, and everything looks stunning on the phone's 1.5K AMOLED display. It delivers incredible detail and clarity, making every scroll, swipe, and frame of gameplay feel premium, making the entire experience feel flagship grade. Whether you are watching videos or editing photos, it's all uninterrupted and ultra responsive. Powering this all is a massive 6500 mAh battery, POCO's largest ever. With normal usage, I easily got around 2 full days of battery life, and even under heavy use like gaming and content creation, the F7 comfortably lasts a full day without breaking a sweat. I gamed, scrolled, shoot photos, and still ended the day with juice left. POCO also includes 90-watt hypercharge, which is ridiculously fast. In my test, I went from 0 to 100 in just around 45 minutes. Plus 22.5 watts reverse wired charging turns your phone into a power bank for your accessories. To take things further, I switched on performance mode from battery settings and instantly felt the boost. It gives the system full reason to push boundaries, especially when paired with game mode. POCO's advanced thermal design features a 3D dual-channel ice-loop cooling system, a technology that smartly dissipates heat through a dual-loop structure, keeping performance consistent even during intensive tasks. In a CPU throttle test, the POCO F7 maintained 94% performance after a 15-minute run, an excellent result showcasing its ability to sustain high-level performance without throttling. And to back up the experience with numbers, in my test the F7 scored around 1.98 million in AnTuTu, just slightly below its peak 2 million plus under ideal conditions. Geekbench delivered equally impressive results with a single core score of 1949 and a multi-core score of 6424, placing it firmly in the top tier performance bracket. And while the phone gets a bit warm during gaming, the ice-loop cooling system ensures that the heat is balanced and never gets in the way of performance, which is excellent for a flagship level chip. From the smoothness of daily use to the top-notch consistency in games, the POCO F7 is not just fast, it is optimized. The combination of raw power, smart software, thermal control and massive battery makes it one of the most balanced performers I have ever used. If you are a gamer, a power user, or just someone who wants zero compromises in everyday use, the F7 delivers and then some. This is not hype, this is real world performance. Thanks for watching. If you found the review helpful, drop a like and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech that matters. This is POCO F7 Super Speed Unleashed.